Alright guys, I'm doing a review on Daiya's Deluxe style cheddar. This is non-dairy, Deluxe style cheddar, non-dairy, gluten-free, soy-free, dairy-free, lactose-free, 5 grams of protein. Okay, so if you don't know this company is known to make dairy-free alternatives, and the instructions are actually right here, pretty easy. Boil 7 to 8 minutes, and then just put in a saucepan and put the sauce on. Just here are the ingredients. If you guys want to see the nutrient panel, pause the video. Now, I've never tried this before, so I'm going to cook it up and show you what it looks like and do a quick taste test for you. And that's the ingredients. So they use tapioca, as you can see, and vegan lactic acid. That's pretty cool. And yeah, naturally occurring natto to make the color. So let's open this up. So this was actually on sale, that's why I picked it up, and thought it'd be nice to make a review for you guys. There we go, that's what the macaroni looks like. So, oh, it's got nice little shapes on it, look at that. And it is a brown rice pasta, okay? This is the cheese sauce packet. It is a liquid, not a powder of any sort. So, alright, I'll be back, guys. Stay tuned. I'm gonna get it cooked up. Alright, guys, so here it is, all done up. Here's the Daiya cheddar cheese macaroni, and let's try this out. So this is dairy-free, gluten-free, and soy-free. So let's try this out and see if it tastes any good. Taste-wise, it's not bad. It has the cheddar aroma, and like I said, I'm eating it and it tastes pretty good. So, the consistency is a little bit more cheesy in a way, like more like a sauce. And I'm going to try to pinpoint the. Yeah, it's more like a sauce, more like a cheese whiz type of texture to it, and taste-wise and aroma actually comes through quite good, and it is made of tapioca, so it's actually kind of good and neat in a way that you can actually achieve it without having dairy. Check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.